Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete matches on Tinder. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up a Tinder application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now in order to view your matches, what you have to do is tap on the message icon that you can see at bottom. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see all of your matches over here. If you haven't messaged that person yet, they'll be displayed right over here on your screen. If you have messaged that person, they'll be displayed right below the messages section. So what you have to do is simply tap on their profile. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to delete this match, what you have to do is unmatch them. For that, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here: unmatch, report, block, Access Safety Center. Simply tap on the first option, that is unmatch. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Would you like to unmatch this user? Simply tap on this option, yes, unmatch. Now you can see over here that particular match will be deleted. So that is how you delete matches on Tinder. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.